So finding the equation of a tangent and normal line, syempre, apply with the application to ng derivative. So dito, in getting the equation of a tangent and normal line, ang magiging formula natin sa tangent line is y minus y of 1 is equal to, kukunin natin yung derivative ng f of x. After natin kunin yung derivative ng f of x, isusubstitute natin yung value ng x of 1, and then we are going to multiply that to the x minus x of 1 para makuha natin yung ating equation. And for the other formula, ito naman yung normal line. For the normal line naman, ang formula niya is y minus y of 1 is equal to negative 1 over the derivative ng f of x, and ipa-plug in natin si x of 1 times x minus x of 1. So ito yung magiging formula natin sa tangent line. And ito naman ang formula natin sa normal line. Okay, so let's have our first example. Normal line 2, f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x plus 2 at point negative 1 and 6. So ito yung magiging x of 1 natin and y of 1. This is the x of 1 at ito ang ating y of 1. Tangent line. At ang formula natin is y minus the y of 1 is equal to the derivative of the f of x. Substitute natin si x of 1 multiplied to the x minus x of 1. So let's solve. Solve natin. Ang x of 1 natin is negative 1 and ang y of 1 natin ay 6. So this become y minus y of 1 ay 6 is equal to derivative ng this one. Derivative ng x cubed minus 5x plus 2. So derivative of that becomes that could be okay. So, paano ba natin susulat? Siguro we can solve that muna before natin we plug in. Yeah. Let's solve muna for the derivative. So I'll just box lang muna this one. And I'm gonna solve for the f of x. F of x lang muna. So f of x, that would be x cubed minus 5x plus 5 plus 2. Solving for the f of x. So this becomes 3x squared minus 5. And iso-substitute ko na si x of 1. At ang ating x of 1 ay, x of 1 natin ay negative 1. So f of negative 1, that is 3. 3 times negative 1 minus 5. So this becomes negative 1 is equal to square to. So this becomes 3 minus 5. Or the final answer is equal to negative 2. So this is negative 2. So ito ang ipa-plug in natin dito. Ang ipapalit natin dito ay this one, the negative 2. So that becomes y minus y of 1 is equal to x of 1, x minus x of 1. So y minus, ang ating y of 1 is equal to 6. Papalit natin dito. So we have 6 is equal to the value of this one, that is negative 2, times x minus, ang value ng x of 1 natin ay negative 1. So this becomes negative 1. Ayan. So y minus 6 is equal to negative 2, x plus 1. Okay, dapat ang equation natin ay naka-format ng y is equal to. So this become y minus 6. Distribute natin ng negative 2. It becomes negative 2x minus 2. Let's apply the addition property of equality. We need to add 6 to both sides of the equation. So it becomes negative 2x minus 2 plus 6. So y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. Normal line. We write first the formula ng ating normal line. Ang formula ng ating normal line is y minus the y of what is equal to the negative 1 over the derivative ng f of x, and then we'll plug in x of 1 multiply to x minus x of 1. So, isolve muna natin ang f of x, derivative ng f of x. So, meron naman na tayo na solve na. So, we don't need na to solve it again. So, this becomes the derivative of the f of x, and then plug in natin si x of 1, that becomes negative 2. Kasi may solution na tayo sa taas. And let's plug into our formula. So, negative 1 over the f of x of 1 times x minus x of 1. Y minus y of 1 natin ay 6 is equal to negative 1 over negative 2 times x minus x of 1 natin ay negative 1. Gawin ko na siya ang plus 1. So y minus 6 equal to positive 1/2 times x plus 1. So y minus 6, distribute natin si 1/2. I-distribute lang natin si 1/2. It becomes 1/2 x plus 1/2. Yan. We need to add positive 6 to both sides of the equation. So it becomes y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1/2 plus 6. So simplify lang natin ang 1/2 plus 6. So this becomes 1/2 x. So 1/2 plus 6, that is 2 times 6 ay 12. Plus 1, that's 13. So plus 13 over 2. So ito ang ating equation of the normal line. And that is y is equal to 1/2 x plus 13 over 2.